What's going on? Welcome to another video, Amazon Storage Pros. My name is Todd, and I'm going to show you how to remove inventory from the AWD warehouse if you had to pull it out for whatever reason. Maybe the product just isn't selling as fast as you thought. Maybe you got gated for a product and you need to get the inventory out of there. This is how you're going to do it. Nice and simple. We'll walk you through it here. So once you get to the Amazon warehousing and distribution page in your Seller Central, go ahead and click on View Inventory, which is under number 2 here. That's going to show you all of your inventory. And way over here on the right, you've got a Send to Amazon button. You're going to click the little drop down and click to Move from AWD. It's going to open up a new window here. And the default is FBA replenishment, but we don't want to do that. We're going to do off Amazon distribution here. And you're going to choose the location that you're moving from and then the destination. Now, none of the products are going to show up here or anything until you select both the move from and the destination. So I'm going to go ahead and check that. And then you're going to start seeing your products. It's a little bit of a confusing thing here, because if you don't put in a destination and you go through all these move froms, none of your products will ever show up, even if you have products there, until you enter a destination. So if you haven't entered a destination, you're going to want to click on Manage Destinations and add that destination in there, and add it in as a 3PL or something like that. I'll go ahead and open that up just to show you guys what I got in here. So I've already got this test 3PL. So you've got channels and then you got destinations. The channel is kind of like the top level. So let's say you have a 3PL that you have 3, 4, 5, 6 destinations that it could potentially go to. So you'd enter the 3PL name as the channel up above here. And then down below here, you can enter the different destinations of that 3PL. So I entered a test location in South Carolina here that we're going to use. So you have to set that up and then select it here. And now you can go through the list here and find where the heck your products are. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't give us an easy way to know where exactly they are, at least as of the recording of this video. So I'm just going to go through each one. Okay, so there are some of my products. And I'm going to ask, it's asking me how many cases do I want to move. So I'm going to say I want to pull out all 4 of them. I'm going to hit confirm right here. And then review move request down here in the bottom right. And it's going to ask me how I want to send it. If I want to send it SPD, which is going to be UPS right now, or palletized. And I don't have enough to do a pallet, so I have to do SPD. It's giving me the cost for doing that. So you've got the handling fee, and then this is going to be the shipping cost for the UPS, etc. You can enter a PO or shipment number if you've got one. And then you can just check to agree on all of these and submit the request. Now, once this is submitted, I'm not going to submit it here because you can't change it. But you'd submit it and it would send out those products, usually 1 to 2 weeks, maybe up to 3 weeks to get those products pulled out of there. Now, if you wanted to, you could actually add a custom shipping label here if you wanted to upload your own shipping labels, or perhaps you're sending this into Walmart fulfillment centers or something like that, and you need to upload the Walmart labels with the shipping labels. You could do that here. Now, as of the recording, if you do that, you cannot use the shipping labels from Amazon. So you have to upload the shipping labels and the box labels if you're sending to Walmart Fulfillment Center, for example. But that is how you do it, pulling out your products from Amazon AWD. Not too hard, not completely straightforward, because you got to select that destination in there to be able to see your products and find where your products are. But overall, not too hard to pull your products out of AWD. A heck of a lot cheaper to pull them out than FBA for sure. So hopefully that helped you. Head on over to AmazonStoragePros.com to get your free audit to make sure you're not overspending on Amazon fees, Amazon logistics. Find out where you can save with your case pack sizes and everything else. We love helping you with your logistics, your inventory management, all of the non-sexy stuff, right? We don't mess with the PPC and the optimization. That's what you love doing. We handle all the boring stuff, all the inventory stuff, all the shipping stuff, all the logistics. So get your audit for free. Find out where you can save, how much you can save, or maybe you're doing awesome already. We'll let you know that as well. But AmazonStoragePros.com. And with that, this is Todd Welch signing off. Happy selling, everybody. Check out these videos.